Watches for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Barrow, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Gwinnett, Hall, Jackson, Lumpkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Walton, and White. What? A wintry mix of precipitation is possible. Snow and sleet accumulations in the mountains could average between 3 to 6 inches with locally higher amounts possible. Further south to the Interstate 20 corridor, a mixture of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain is likely. Snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches is possible with icing amounts around 1/10 of an inch possible. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, northwest, and west central Georgia. When? From Friday morning through Saturday morning. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions, with travel likely becoming difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday commute and linger into Saturday morning. Bridges and overpasses could become icy even if temperatures remain slightly above freezing. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this hazardous situation. Any slight deviations in temperatures or track of the weather system will result in changes for the precipitation type forecast. This watch is for the following county: Habersham, Georgia. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 6 inches possible. Where? The mountains of northeast Georgia and southwest North Carolina. When? From Friday morning through Saturday morning. Impacts. The heavy snow will make many roads impassable and may produce widespread power outages due to the weight of the snow on tree limbs and power lines. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP. The current time is 6:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.